Welcome to HBS Dealers, wholly owned subsidiary, Ken's New Jersey Garage. This episode is a special winter edition. Can't do anything out here. We're going inside to renovate the kitchen in 90 seconds. As you can see, something's got to be done about these cabinets. They're an embarrassment. Our answer is the Rust-Oleum Cabinet Transformation Kit. The kit includes everything you see here. Step 1 is the deglosser. The instructions say to apply liberally and scrub strenuously. Here's step 2, a pure white bond coat for the cabinet doors and sides. It took about 3 coats to go from dark to white. And this project skipped the decorative glaze step and went right to the top coat. We're applying it to the frame here. Inside we use just a regular high gloss paint. Here's the protective top coat drying on the cabinet door. And here's the before and after. A professional cabinet painting job costs in the thousands. Rust-Oleum's small cabinet transformation kit sells for under $100. Thanks for watching Ken's New Jersey Garage. For more products and product information, visit hbsdealer.com.